Hello, and a warm welcome to MedX, the latest from the world of medicine. CDC has recommended the use of the first updated COVID-19 booster vaccination for people 12 years and older. This updated booster adds Omicron BA.4 and BA.5 spike protein components to the current vaccine composition. It is believed to help in restoring protection that has decreased since previous vaccination by targeting variants that are more transmissible and immune-evading. The CDC is soon expecting to recommend the updated COVID-19 boosters for other pediatric groups. Generalized pustular psoriasis is a rare and potentially life-threatening neutrophilic skin disease with widespread eruptions of painful, sterile pustules. The U.S. FDA has approved Spesolimab that blocks the activation of the interleukin-36 receptor IL-36R involved in the pathogenesis of psoriasis. This approval was based on a 12-week phase 2 trial where patients with high and very high pustules were treated with Spesolimab or placebo. After a week, 54% of the patients did not show visible pustules post-treatment of Spesolimab intravenous injection as compared to 6% of patients in the placebo group. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has approved Xenpozyme for intravenous infusion in pediatric and adult patients with acid Sphingomyelinase deficiency, a rare genetic disease that causes premature death. Acid Sphingomyelinase deficiency, or ASMD, is caused by the lack of an enzyme acid needed for breaking down sphingomyelin. ASMD patients have enlarged abdomens while severely affected patients have profound neurological symptoms. Severely affected patients rarely survive beyond 2 to 3 years of age, while some may die prematurely due to respiratory failure. In the study evaluating the medication, Xenpozyme improved lung function and reduced liver and spleen size in ASMD patients. A team of researchers at University of British Columbia working on developing oral insulin tablets as a replacement for daily insulin injections report a game-changing discovery. According to the researchers, the insulin from the oral tablets is absorbed in the same way as injected insulin in rats. The different kind of tablet developed by the team is absorbed in under half an hour and lasts 2 to 4 hours, with minimal wastage of insulin in the stomach. The study is yet to move to human trials, but the team says that the tablet being developed could also be more sustainable, cost-effective, and accessible. In a recent study, it was found that major adverse cardiovascular events like stroke, myocardial infarction can be predicted using prediction models incorporating cardiovascular risk and fracture risk factors. Participants in this study were divided into a group of adults with an incident diagnosis of osteoporosis, incident fracture at an osteoporotic site, and incident users of oral bisphosphonates for evaluating incidence of major adverse cardiovascular events. After 1 year, the study reported that incident fracture group had highest MACE incidence rate at 52.6 per 1,000 person years. Oral bisphosphonates had 26.3 per 1,000 person years, and osteoporosis had 19.6 per 1,000 person years. These were the latest highlights from around the world of medicine. Tune in for more such fresh updates.